Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we are going to be doing the Yankee Twist again, but in a different color. If you guys know me by now, you know that I like to wash every hair that I install just to prevent any irritation, any rashes, and all of those things. So today I used a shampoo and apple cider vinegar to wash. Now it is fully dry. Let's begin the crocheting. This is the color that I chose to do. I will make sure to leave the link to the Amazon store in the description for you guys to check them out. They do have different colors as well. From the last video, if you haven't watched it, I will put it up there for you guys to check it out. But I did let you guys know the downside of installing this hair. It is very tiny. So this time around, I decided to start with 2 right away. This is my braid pattern for today's crochet. So we're starting again with the back, and I will be going in with 2 right away. I decided to do that because I do want the back to be full. I don't want it to fall flat, but I did not pay a lot of attention to the back because you do not want to run out of hair before you get to the front. This hairstyle is very easy to achieve. So for those that this is your first time trying to get your hair done, or you're still practicing on how to do a crochet hairstyle, I'm going to do it up close so you can see. So there are different techniques that you could use when crocheting your hair. You could use the latch hook pull through method, which is like the classic way of crocheting your hair. So once we have the cornrow done, you now insert the crochet needle under the braid. You hook the loop of the Yankee Twist, and then now watch me, and I pull it, then I loop the ends through the twist and tighten it. This keeps it very secure, and it is very fast, and it's easy to learn, especially for beginners. The other technique will be the invisible knot, and I don't think that technique is perfect for this particular hairstyle because with this Yankee Twist, the twists are very small, so you can hardly see the knots. At this point, I am towards the front of the hair, and it is very important to me that this hair does not look scanty. So I am now going in with 2 and sometimes 3 at once. One of the reasons why I always get this hair in ombre is because it gives it a more natural appearance. The first time I saw this hairstyle on YouTube, I honestly thought it was some sort of sister locks. And it just has a natural vibe to it. So the more it gets old, the more it begins to look more natural. Another reason why I get it in ombre is because it's easy to grow out. So if you are someone that your hair actually grows out faster, it's easy to hide, right? Because people will not really be able to tell how old the hair is. It is also low maintenance look as well because the flyaways and the regrowth look more intentional than messy. Another reason is because you can actually do versatile hairstyles with this one. You could style it different ways. I can do the updos, I can do half up styles, I can do a head wrap, I can do a ponytail, I can do like the mohawk look as well. Ombre looks are also very flattering as well as professional and subtle. I think in school settings or work settings, if I have plain a blonde, it might be too much, but when you have like an ombre vibe going, it's very stylish and at the same time low-key professional. Yeah, so those are the reasons why I always gravitate towards doing an ombre color. Because I like big hair, I ended up using 2 packs. Now, just some things to keep in mind. If you need this hairstyle to last a long time, you want to make sure you are washing the roots of your hair every 2 weeks, and you are moisturizing, you're keeping your scalp clean, and you are not over manipulating the hair, because too much manipulation is going to make it get super tangled. And of course, you should trim. This hairstyle doesn't take long. It took me, including the braiding, about an hour and a half. This is the final look, guys. I love this color. I was honestly skeptical about this color, but I am glad that I took the risk. Please let me know in the comment section what you think. First, about this hairstyle. Secondly, about this color. Are you open to trying it, or is it a no for you? Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.